Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. My name is Nancy. Today I want to share my testimony with you about this amazing product that literally saved my life. These products here, these are our berries capsules, these ones here. We have our vegetables capsules. We have our fruits capsules, these ones. And then we have our omega blend, this one, omega 3, 5, 7 and 9, all in one. So how did I come to know about these products? About 2 years, I came to know about these products about 6 months ago. But I had a problem that started about 2 years ago. The problem, I was diagnosed with fibroids. And with fibroids came the heavy bleeding every time of the month. When I have my menses, I would bleed very heavily. And with the bleeding, I started developing anemia. I became anemic. I developed anemia. And so I would have these split-second blackouts. Those of you that have had this problem, there's a split-second blackouts where everything just blacks out and it doesn't matter where you are, whether you are driving, you are walking, you can even be seated, but these split-second blackouts, it was a really big problem. I visited one doctor after the other, and every time my gynecologist had told me that they could not remove the fibroids because they were multiple. So with multiple fibroids, the only option was to remove the whole uterus. And so she had booked me actually for an operation. She booked me for an operation, but because there was a long queue waiting to do that, they didn't regard that as an emergency. I had to wait. So during my time of the waiting, I also developed a pain in my abdomen. It was a sharp pain in my abdomen. This sharp pain, it was a matter of life and death. The sharp pain was so severe. And every time, it was always there nagging. But there were times when it was really severe, so much so that when it struck, I could not walk, I could not stand, I could not do anything. There were so many times that I had to take, painkillers so often than necessary, so often than it should be. Let me put it that way, so often than it should be, because I was in so much pain. And the climax of it all came in the new year of 2019. I saw that new year actually in a hospital bed. They had to operate on me. Remember, the whole time that I had this sharp pain, the doctors could not find anything. I went from one doctor appointment to the other, and they could not find anything. Everything, I was given a clear sheet. There's nothing wrong with you. Try this one, do this. I did all those things, and they couldn't find anything. And during that time when they had to operate on me, this pain had come. I thought I was going to die. It was so severe, and still they could not find anything. They did the scanning, they did the MIR, they did all these tests, but they couldn't find anything. So the only suspicion they had was that probably it was my appendix. Maybe the appendix, there was something wrong with the appendix. So they said, you have to consent whether we operate on you or we leave you. But with so much severe pain, I don't think that I was in a position to say no. So I said, yes, please do operate on me. If that was going to give me even just a slight relief, I said yes. So they operated on me. And the new year of 2019, I saw it in a hospital. So that was how severe and bad that was. But even after the operation, this same problem, it never stopped. It never stopped. The sharp pain was always there. Sometimes when you have something, it becomes like part of you. And the doctors were bringing in all sorts of theory. Maybe it is psychological, maybe, and all these things, because they couldn't find what was wrong. And with that, as time went on, I suddenly, with the pain and the fibroids, I was on the waiting list of going to be operated on, then my P's just stopped. My P's just stopped, I could, you could imagine that probably that should have been a good thing, but no, because with that came the forced menopause. So I went into that sudden menopause, and with the heat flashes, oh my God, the memory lapses, it was unbelievable. The heat would hit so much that within a split of it, you feel so hot that even the roots of the hair, it felt like I was so hot. In winter, I would run outside bare feet just to be where it is cool. And it doesn't matter, it could be in the night, whatever time. When those flashes hit, even if you were sleeping, you have to wake up. It was so severe, And my gynecologist said she couldn't do anything about it. There was nothing they could do. It was something that was natural, and every woman has to go through it. Yeah. So anyways, I was still on my waiting list for the operation for the fibroids. Then I developed cysts in my breasts. Cysts. So there were lumps, cysts are like lumps in my breast, both my breasts, but they were more severe on my left breast. So when I went to the hospital, they also said, no, maybe we can draw water from the cysts so that we shrink the cysts, but they were not sure what would happen, what the outcome of that would be. And they advised that if they did that, it could have been that maybe more would develop. So I was also stuck there because that option was also not good either. So with all this running around, one doctor appointment after the other, a friend of mine who was actually present at the time I was taken to the hospital for that operation, for the operation for the appendix, she advised me to probably try these products right here, these ones. She said, try these products. Since you have tried everything, I had taken so many antibiotics. She said, try these products. They are natural food supplements. There is nothing chemical about them. They are gluten-free, They are vegan. They have no preservatives, They have no artificial coloring, no preservatives, And I thought, okay, they sound good. So I went and researched on them. I did my own research on these products. And what I discovered was when you are taking these products, your immune system is strengthened, you increase your growth hormones, you improve your skin. There are so many good benefits about these products. And I thought, okay. And since there's nothing chemical about them, they are worth trying. That was how I came across these products, these ones. And I started taking these products religiously because then I had tried everything and nothing had worked. So they were worth trying. So I started taking these products. And 2 months down the line, 2 months after I started, I had my menses. When that time of the month came, when I was in a normal circumstances, if I was going to have my menses, this in my menopause period, my left breast would swell so much. It would swell so much. I had to put some cream, some kind of cheese, which is creamy, on it. That was what my gynecologist advised. So I'd put cream on it to just subsidize it. And I would be cheesy the whole time. Maybe 1 week, I would just be cheesing my breast the whole time, But after I started taking these products, my menses came back. The swelling of my breast stopped. The sharp pain disappeared. I cannot even explain when it went. It is that kind of situation where you wake up one day and the pain is no longer there. I don't even remember how it disappeared. So after researching, I love reading, I discovered that actually our bodies have the ability to heal. Our bodies have the ability to heal. If only you can give your body the right nutrients. In these products here, we call them our premium capsules. They have 30 different types of fruits and vegetables. And if you give your body the right amount of nutrients, the body can be able to heal itself. So if you are out there and you have a problem, you may not experience the same problems as I did. But whatever problems that you have, the answer is if you can give your body the right amount of nutrients, it will surprise you. It can reverse. It can heal by itself. It can heal by itself. All you need are the right amounts of nutrients. This is from my experience. It is worth trying. It really is worth trying. So if you have watched this and you have a problem, give this product a chance.